Well, today I want to explain you about how to use prop sentence case, uppercase, and lowercase in Excel format. Many of us know about the uppercase, lowercase, and sentence case in Word format, which is very easy. And here itself we have to apply formula. Well, I will show to you. Let me show. For example, if you have the test and test one. For example, king, ring, tattoo, something else. We have to apply its proper same. Let's see. Lower and something upper. See if you can see it's simple. The formula is simple. It's equal to, it's proper, and the cell number, and the same. It's here for the upper, it's equal to lower, and in bracket cell number, and the same. In the upper bracket, it's cell number. That's it. So you can find easily the solution. Thank you.